Hey guys, Vivian here. We are busy building a new body. It's a Yokomo C33 Laurel, and I'm busy with masking for the logos because we're gonna paint all the logos first, like most of my other bodies are. Grab this one here. So you first paint all the logos, and after the logos are all painted, then you do the graphics on it. So I'm just going to show you guys. This is Oro mask. I'm trying Oro mask for the first time now, and what I'm going to do is just weed some of the vinyl out so you guys can see how it looks. Like, I've done this whole sheet. But this whole sheet I've covered with transfer tape so I can lift it and put it onto the body. So I'm going to do the number 66. That's my number that I'm going to put on the roof. So I'm going to lift this inside design, which is inside line, which is going to be black. So we're first going to remove that, and I want to make that inside dot black as well. Then on the other 6 we just do the same. And if your vinyl cutting machine is set on the right speed and on the right force, it'll cut without any problems. And now I'm just going to take a piece of transfer tape. We're going to stick on there. I don't care if it covers the whole area, as long as it covers the area where the machine has cut. I'm just rubbing the transfer tape with my nail just to make sure I've got good contact patch, and then I'm going to just start lifting. Even if it doesn't pick it up there, you can just put it down again until the transfer tape picks up the vinyl. Here we go. Alright, now we're going to put this on the roof. So I'm just going to have it pointing my way so I can line it. I normally don't put it on straight. I put the number a little bit skew, and then just start rubbing it from one side down so you can make sure there's no bubbles in there. So it's nice and clear. Turn it upside down. Also just rub it a bit with your nail and just remove the transfer tape. And that's it. Now, because the Oro mask is see-through, you can actually nicely see where all the bubbles are. So you can just go and rub out all those bubbles around the number, because all these areas where what's not blue will cover with masking tape when we do the logos to not get any overspray. So I'm going to keep continuing that on the body, and I'll speak to you guys later. Right guys, so as I said, I'll continue, and I've finished all the logos I want to add on, even one on the wing, as well as the end plate of the wing and the front splitter canard aero piece. And now it's time to just mask away, so just start tearing, masking into pieces, and just cover up all the legs. And I like to fold it over because I just want to make sure all the corners are closed. Another piece. Make sure everything's nicely covered. You don't want any overspray on, and then that piece is ready for the black. And when we finish doing the black, I'll remove the inside and I'm going to make that white. So it's just going to be normal black and white logos on the car. This one has some small corners we need to cover, so I'm just going to tear off a piece. Another one there, and this is what I'll continue doing with the whole body, just closing up all the legs in so that the body doesn't get any overspray. And make sure you've got enough of an overlap on your vinyl pieces. I have made the mistake before where I didn't have enough overlap, and I actually stuck that one on the wrong side as well. It's difficult to see with this separate parts, which is inside and which is outside. There's another little, right at the end, a little corner, and that's all pieces that can be